Welcome to my tutorial video, and in this video we'll be doing about the versions of Java programming language. And in Java programming we have several types of version, and the first version, it was released on 23 January 1996, and that version name was Org. And next one is Java 1.1. it was released on February 19, 1997. Next, Java 1.2, it was called Playground, and it was released on December 8, 1998. Next, Java 1.3, Kestrel, and it was released on 8 May 2000. Java 1.4, Merlin, it was released on 6 February 2002. And Java 5, it was called Tiger, and it was released on 30 September 2004. Next, Java 6, it was called Mustang, and it was released on 11 December 2006. Then Java 7, it was called Dolphin, and released on 28 July 2011. Next, Java 8, it was called Spider, and released on 18 March 2014. Next, Java 9, it was released on 21st September 2017. Next, Java 10, it was released on 20 March 2018, and go on like that. And in this year 2024, latest version as of now, this is year 2024, and the latest version is Java 23, and it was released on 17 September 2024. So these are the versions of Java. So in the next video we will be doing some program on Java. So let's go.